Year 11 Maths Methods. So if you're starting off in Maths Methods this year, you might be feeling a bit nervous about that. It is a big step up from grade 10. It is a very, very big year. Unit 1 is huge and there is a lot to get through. So the biggest thing that I would recommend is making sure that you know your quadratics. This was something you would have looked at in grade 10 and it is built on a lot in Unit 1 in the Maths Methods course. So you're going to need to be able to factorise, graph them. You're going to have to do completing the square. You'll be using your skills in quadratics then to put into cubics, where you've got a power of 3, where you'll then have to divide polynomials and then factorise. So you're going to be doing a lot of that, sketching quadratics, because then you're going to sketch other graphs. You're going to sketch cubics and quartics, and so you're going to build on those quadratic skills and all of the different techniques in that in your Maths Methods. Obviously, you're going to also be looking at probability and other topics as well, but the main one I find to make sure you are solid with going into 11 Maths Methods is your quadratics, your factorising, expanding, solving, graphing, all of those skills around the quadratics. That would be my biggest advice there. The other thing is equipment. Every video that I've done so far, I have said equipment. Make sure you have your textbook. Make sure you have got your books. Make sure you've got pens. Make sure you've got your calculator. Now, in 11 Maths Methods, we're using the graphics calculator. So make sure you have the one that your school recommends because that's the one your teacher is going to be able to help you with the most. We use the TI-84 plus CE, but other schools will use the Casio or other types of TI-84s. Make sure you have the one that your school has recommended, because if you don't have that, then your teacher may not be confident using that calculator and they won't be able to help you, even if it is QCAA approved and able to be used in exams. You want to be able to get the most out of your calculator, and that would be my other big thing, is get that calculator out and start looking at it before you step into the classroom. Press that button to do some graphing, test some out, have a look at my videos on how to sketch a graph, because that is going to really help you in that first unit. Being confident with your calculator, being confident with your algebra and your quadratics is going to make Unit 1 a lot less stressful.